Hello friends, welcome to my channel Easy Learning with Harshika. So friends, in this video we are going to do the book exercise of the chapter The Discovery of Penicillin. And friends, if you want to see the explanation of this chapter, so I have given the link in the description box and you can take the link from there. So friends, the first part of this book exercise is complete the table after reading the text. So after reading the text we have to write the its answer, that what is the question given to us. Okay, now friends, first one is name the first practical antibiotic and the country where it was discovered. So first the practical antibiotic था वो क्या था, penicillin था. It was only penicillin. So the answer of first question is penicillin. And which country it was discovered? It was discovered in London. In London, where it is situated? It is situated in England. So penicillin in England is the answer of this question. Now friends, next one is name the hospital where Alexander Fleming worked. Hospital name was St. Mary's Hospital. I have written the answer here, so you can check it from here. Third one is the first doctor to demonstrate the value of penicillin in medicine. So फ्लेमिंग जो थे वो बिल्कुल भी एबल नहीं थे प्रूफ करने में, लेकिन उनके जो फॉर्मर स्टूडेंट थे सेसिल पेन, डॉक्टर सेसिल पेन जो थे वो थे द फर्स्ट डॉक्टर टू डेमोन्स्ट्रेट द वैल्यू ऑफ पेनिसिलिन. नेक्स्ट इज अ क्लास ऑफ सिंथेटिक केमिकल ड्रग्स डेवलप्ड इन जर्मनी. सो उन ड्रग्स का नाम बताना है, दैट इज सल्फर ड्रग्स. सल्फर ड्रग्स वर द ड्रग्स दैट वर डेवलप्ड इन जर्मनी. Next is two other scientists who became interested in penicillin. The scientists who became interested in penicillin, they were Dr. Howard Walter Florey and Dr. Ernest Boris Chain. Next, for the first human subject to whom the penicillin was applied, it was applied to the policeman, and the name of the policeman was Albert Alexander, who was a 48-year-old London policeman. The reason why the first human subject did not survive, क्यों जो था वो जो फर्स्ट ह्यूमन सब्जेक्ट था वो सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाया था, जो पुलिसमैन थे वो सर्वाइव क्यों नहीं कर पाए थे? क्योंकि नॉन अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ पेनिसिलिन. पेनिसिलिन वॉज नॉट अवेलेबल एट दैट टाइम बिकॉज ऑफ द शॉर्टेज ऑफ द पेनिसिलिन ही डाइड. नेक्स्ट, द एट्थ वन इज द ईयर व्हेन इट वॉज रिकॉग्नाइज्ड दैट पेनिसिलिन वॉज अ वर्थवाइल ड्रग, एंड दैट द ईयर वॉज 1941. The period when the demand for the penicillin became greater, that is the Second World War, because the war was going on, many injuries were going on, and that is why penicillin was very much required. Next is the reason why the demand of the penicillin became greater, that is because no other antibiotic were available, बिकॉज एट दैट टाइम जो पेनिसिलिन के अलावा कोई भी अदर जो एंटीबायोटिक थी वो अवेलेबल नहीं थी एट दैट टाइम. सो पेनिसिलिन जो थी वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा फेमस हो गई थी. देन द इम्पोर्टेंट इवेंट दैट टुक इन 1943, इम्पोर्टेंट इवेंट वॉज मास प्रोडक्शन. मीन्स पेनिसिलिन की बहुत ज़्यादा शॉर्टेज हो गई थी, तो इसलिए बहुत ज़्यादा डिमांड हो गई थी पेनिसिलिन की. एक्चुअली में बहुत ज़्यादा डिमांड हो गई थी, तो इसलिए मास प्रोडक्शन मीन्स प्रोडक्शन को इंक्रीज कर दिया था, बूस्ट द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ पेनिसिलिन. 12th one is the important event that took place in 1945. In 1945, the important event was that Florey, Ernest Boris Chain and Fleming, they were awarded with the Nobel Prize in 1945, that I told you. Okay friends, so this was your A part. Now the B part. B part is that choose the right options to answer these questions. We have to choose the correct answer and answer the questions. Then first one is, why did minor injuries result in death before the discovery of penicillin? So answer is D, because the wounds would get infected, because before the डिस्कवरी ऑफ पेनिसिलिन देयर वाज नो अदर एंटीबायोटिक, और जो वाउंड्स थे बहुत ज़्यादा इन्फेक्टेड हो जाते, तो इसलिए हमें ज़रूरत थी एक एंटीबायोटिक की. सेकेंड वन इज, वाई डिड फ्लेमिंग नॉट अचीव फेम इवन आफ्टर हिज डिस्कवरी ऑफ पेनिसिलिन? So the answer is option A, that is people doubted its practical value, because फ्लेमिंग भी जो थे वो भी प्रूव नहीं कर पा रहे थे पेंसिलिन को, और जो पीपल थे वो भी डाउट कर रहे थे उनकी रिसर्च पर. Okay friends, so friends, this was your chapter. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching friends, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get the latest video updates.